Welcome back to the Brazen Brits. I am Natalie.
And I am Lawrence, and we are the Brazen... You just said that.
Yeah, I know, you knob. Welcome back to the Brazen Brits. I am Natalie.
And I'm Lawrence. And this is our fourth collaboration, or fifth?
Something like that.
Anyway, it's our monthly collaboration with 5 other channels. So after you've watched this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you can go and check out their channels. Now today, we're talking about some of the most controversial questions that we've seen online. So, let's roll the intro, and then you can disagree with all of our answers.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder.
Right, Lawrence, do you use the toilet for solids and put toilet paper down it?
Yes, that's what the toilet is for.
Agreed.
Okay, so I know where this comes from, and we had major issues with our blocking the black tank, and that's our most popular video, by the way, so I can link to that below. It's a decent way of how to unblock your black tank, but now we do, and a lot of people don't because blockages are so common. Now, the secret here is water. Just use tons of water and it's fine. You have to make sure that everything in there has enough water to dissolve and kind of, work it down. So yes, we do. We use it exactly the same as we would a normal toilet because we use a lot of water.
Agreed.
Simple as that.
Yeah.
Question number 2. Do we run our fridge on drive days?
The answer to that is it depends on how long we're driving for. If it's only a couple of hours, no, we don't. We turn the propane off. But if we are going to be driving for 8-9 hours, then yeah, we don't want our freezer to start defrosting. So yeah, we do. I know a lot of people are...
It's very controversial, this subject.
Yeah, that is, yeah.
And I don't know what the right answer is, but we do have a propane. Our fridge runs off, if we're connected, to 50 amp or 30 amp, and it uses propane. So we can use the propane when... This is stupid.
Neighbours!
So our fridge runs off power, either 50 amp or it can run off propane. And so if we are travelling for a long time, we will put the propane on because we have lost entire freezers and fridges full of this. Now, the only thing you have to be careful of is some tunnels require you to turn the propane off for safety reasons, which we completely understand. They will always have a stopping section. I think the main one we went through was the Chesapeake Bay Tunnel. Yep. There is a stopping section where they check that you've turned your propane off. Another reason also we have a gas stop, and so that gives us a lot more peace of mind. So yes, we do run it on longer travel days. On the shorter ones, we do not.
Okay, Lawrence, next question. Do we use the exterior lights on the RV whilst we're camping?
Yes. Well, okay, this is another controversial thing. So we actually have this bit here actually lights up. It's too bright today, so you can't see it, but you can see it at night. It's a nice blue colour, I think. We'd never use that. No, never. Ever use that. The only one we do use is obviously underneath the awning, we have the LED light strip, and we use that. So we do use that at night, especially if we're letting the dogs out and things, or even if we're just sat outside, we will use that. Yeah. What we don't do is that you can short out some pins on your thing so that all the lights come on, like the rear lights, everything, all the lights are all lit up. Don't get it.
No, I don't get it. And we don't leave the awning light on all night.
Oh no, we never leave any external lights.
Unless you've had too much to drink.
All night. Yeah, not even any kind of, yeah. It has happened. It has happened. But no, we don't, just because we know that our bedroom, so if we look around here, that's right next to my bed. So if there is another RV next to us here who has their light on, this is our service side, this is essentially their lounging side. If they leave their lights on, it goes straight in our bedroom. So we know how annoying it is.
I also want to add a little caveat here that I do understand for security reasons. A lot of people have the floodlights that come on and off motion detectors. I don't think that's I think that's a great idea. So I don't disagree with those or anything, but when it's like every light is a little bit like, hello, we're trying to sleep and these curtains are rubbish.
We also use a Ring doorbell. So we don't have the security light, but we do have a Ring doorbell right outside the door, which we love.
Yes.
All right, last question. Number 5, I assume.
It's not number 5, no.
Or is it 4? Okay. All right, number 4. Do you camp in parking lots? And if you do you open your slides?
Me personally? Just on my own?
Just on your own.
No, we do not park camp in parking lots. You can park in Walmarts and Cracker Barrels and stuff, but we have harvest hosts for that, as some of you know. We have the wineries and the golf courses, all those lovely places.
I think you don't like the thought of it, so we've never done it.
No.
Truck stops, we would try and stay away because obviously the truckers need that more than we do typically, so we try and stay away from there. So we haven't done it. I think I would. Honestly, I don't think it would be a big deal, but it's actually quite difficult because this goes back to the slides part, is that if we don't open this slide here, we can't get any into the kitchen. The only place we have is the bathroom and the bedroom, which would be fine if it's just us. But with Opie, a big dog, like even Jax is fine with us, but Opie, a big dog, having him in the bedroom would just drive us insane. So he has his crate further on back, so he would have to open the slides if we did that.
Yeah.
But to answer it, no,
Nope.
we probably will at some point. We haven't
If
yet.
we have to, if we are forced to, but no. Now, this is the final one, Lawrence. Do you drink from the freshwater tank?
So that's like when we're boondocking, we fill the tank up with water. No, we do not. We also do not drink any city water, campsite water. So we have a water treatment thing that we can use. I know a lot of people use the Berkey, things like that, which we haven't got one yet. So yeah, or we use bottled water. So no, we don't. Mainly for the reason is I don't want to have to worry about sanitizing it. I do worry about campsite water.
That's what the Clear 2O stuff's for. I do. He's an idiot. The whole point of our Clear 2O stuff with the 1 micron and all the carbon filters is so that it is safe to drink. So I drink the camp water, and I even use it in my little soda maker and everything, and I'm still here to tell the tale.
I do use it for the coffee machine.
Yes,
And
well, it's
for
boiling
anything
it,
that
so.
you're boiling it, I do, but I wouldn't just drink it straight out of tap. I've never sanitized our fresh tank. I don't even know what that looks like.
I'm still alive.
Good for you.
Sometimes.
It's not funny. All right, so that's it. That's the answers to those 5 questions. We have had some disagreements and discussions on the other channels that are collaborating with us on here, so go and check them out below. They have very different answers. Got something crawling on my leg. So yeah, that's really interesting. And I know that some people are going to disagree with us on some stuff. So we are very interested in your points of view. If there's anything that we should or shouldn't be doing, please let us know down below in the comments. Until next time on our collaboration, we will see you soon. Don't forget to, well, here's actually the playlist. I'm going to put a playlist above, so it's really easy for you to go see those. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and if you'd like to become a Braziere and support a couple of tits, hit the join button.
And the thanks button, you forget
Oh, we have a thanks
week.
button as well. Yeah, if we help you with anything, hit the thanks button.
Yeah.
All right. We will see you next month.
Cheerio.